वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम ज्योग्राफी का 6 चैप्टर कर रहे हैं 8th क्लास का। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। विच एरियाज आर स्पेशली पॉपुलेटेड? हाई माउंटेन्स, हाई एल्टीट्यूड एरियाज, ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट्स एंड एरिया इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट आर स्पेशली और लेस पॉपुलेटेड. What is the average density of population in India? 382 persons per square kilometers. What is the average density of population in the whole world? 45 persons per square kilometers. What is life expectancy? It is the number of years that an average person can expect to live. Name a country which has high population growth rate. Kenya. In how many countries 60% of the world's peoples are staying? In 10 countries 60% of the world's peoples are staying. Next one है, which geographical factors affect the distribution of populations? Geographical factors affecting the distribution of populations are topography, climate, water, soil, minerals. These soil factors affect distribution of populations, areas of better housing, education, health facilities. What is birth rate? The number of live births per 1,000 people is known as birth rate. What is death rate? The number of deaths per 1,000 people is known as death rate. What is migrations? It is the movement of people in and out of an area. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, 10th में भी आते हैं, ये 11th 12th में भी आते हैं ज्योग्राफी में, ठीक है, और ये 8th में भी आते हैं, ठीक है. What is migrations? It is the movement of peoples in and out of an area. Name a country which has low population growth. United Kingdom. Who is an immigrant? A person who arrives in a country. Who is an emigrant? A person who leaves a country. Where does the India rank in the world population? Second after China. Move to the next question. Why are people considered a resource? Our nation's greatest resource is its people. Natural resources become significant only when people find it useful. Human resources is the ultimate resource. They are called a resource because by developing the human skills only the resources can be developed. Resources are not, but they become due to men. What are the causes for the uneven distribution of population in the world? The causes for the uneven distributions in the world are topography, climate, fertile soils, mineral deposits, water. Next one है, the world population has grown very rapidly. Why? The world population is increasingly very rapidly due to increase in natural growth rate. Natural growth rate is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of the country. With better food supplies and medicines, deaths are reducing while the number of births still remaining fairly high. Move to the next question. Discuss the roles of any two factors influencing population change. The population change refers to change in the number of peoples during a specific times. The world population has not been stable. Two factors which influence population change are, first one है birth and death rate, second one है migration. Birth and death rate में देखिए, birth and death rate are the natural cause of population change. The difference between the birth rate and death rate of a country is called the natural growth rate. Migration, it is another way by which population size change. People may move within a country or between countries. Emigrants are peoples who leave a country. Immigrants are those who arrives in a country. For example, USA and Australia have gained in numbers by immigrations, while Sudan experienced a loss in populations number due to emigration. Move to the next question. What is meant by population composition? Population composition refers to the structures of the population. It helps to know how many males or females, which of groups they belong to, how educated they are, and what type of occupations they are employed in, what their incomes levels and wealth conditions are. In brief, population composition tells about almost each and everything regarding population of a country. Next one है, what are population pyramid? How do they help in understanding about the population of a country? Population pyramids are demographic structures based on the division of population of a country into different groups. Age, sex structures is shown in this way. Population, first one है, population pyramids help in understanding the various age groups, 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years, etc. Second one है, they also help us in understanding the percentage of total population subdivided into males and females in each of these groups. Third one है, tells us how many dependents are there in a country. It also tells us about birth and death rates. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर बताना है. विच डज द टर्म्स पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड रेफर्स टू. इसमें आएगा, देखिए सी आएगा इसमें. विच आर द 3 मेन फैक्टर्स दैट कोज पॉपुलेशन चेंज. इसमें बी आएगा, बर्थ, डेथ एंड माइग्रेशंस. In 1999 the world population reached 6 billion. लास्ट वन है हमारा, व्हाट इज अ पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड। देखिए इसमें क्या आएगा, अ जियोग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशंस ऑफ एज, सेक्स, कंपोजिशन ऑफ अ पॉपुलेशन। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।